well, I know what is happening. I'm up in the deal with Timothy. Distracting myself, be the remedy. At first I thought that she was sent to me. What's happening? We started out Freddie and Daphne. So good that it felt like a trap to me. The girl in my dream like a fantasy. But we've been caught out in reality. We reached the pinnacle of apathy. It must been a victim of gravity. Because it declined.
Hi, we're going to Cancun. I'm at my gate. Waiting for my JetBlue flight. Got some goodies. I'm breaking the diet. You know, it's already Friday. It's just like you can't be on a diet on vacation. So I got myself the Impossible sandwich. Has anybody tried this? I've never had the Impossible sandwich, but I love the one from Dunkin'. So I'm really excited about this one, but I'm not gonna eat it right now. It's like 6 or 7 in the morning. I'm just gonna bring it with me for the flight. And then, you know, I gotta be a basic bitch, and I got myself a pumpkin spice latte with almond milk. I don't know if this is a good combo, but I drink everything with almond milk, so here we go. To Cancun. Oh my god, my glasses are so fogging up right now. Reality, it's really humid out here. This is the outside of the Cancun airport. I'm here around 10:15 in the morning. There's not a lot of people out. Like, I was told that it was gonna be like people were gonna scout you as soon as you got out of the airport, but at least in my flight, it was too early for the scouts to be out there. They just like yell at you, hey, get a taxi, get a car. Okay, well, I gotta defog my glasses. I think I see the people for my shuttle. They're coming out, they're all at the end, right here. Just gonna show you guys. Like, you have to walk this entire way. It's a long hallway. At the end of it, the shuttle station. It's right here. A little bar outside the airport. That's kind of cute. A welcome bar. I never had that before. It's an outside bar in the airport, which is cool. Yeah, it's just at the end of the hallway.
I'm pouring gasoline on the fire started in me. No one can cancel me. I'm swaying along with the trees. The sun is falling and the water is starting to freeze. That's why I close my eyes when I'm crossing the street. I keep a stack of letters from all my closest friends, so I know they're real, they really love cause they like to play pretend. Summer hasn't started, but it feels like it's the end, cause I think ahead, I like to plan, so I'm never in suspense. I'm pouring gasoline on the fire started in me. No one can cancel me, I'm swaying along with the trees. The sun is falling and the water is starting to freeze. That's why I close my eyes when I'm crossing the street.
The front desk, I just checked in. It took a little bit long, but I'm waiting for my room. So, and my bag somebody took, but I have a bracelet, so it doesn't make a difference. We're all good. The most important place, the lobby bar, very important. And then I've been waiting to see this place, so this is the first time I'm gonna check it out. Go outside. Okay, open. Thank you. It's gorgeous. Okay, it's a little rainy, but you know, and humid. But hey, we're here. Woo!
I'd be so close to you, and I never knew I'd be so close to you.
So it's right now 11:47, and my family got on their flight at 10:15, meaning they should be arriving in like half an hour. I would give them another hour to get on their shuttle and then come over here. So I at least have like 2 more hours. The worst case scenario of being by myself drinking here. So we'll see what I can do. I have like, I started watching this new Korean drama. I'll pop it out here. Amazing. Sometimes I always doubt Netflix and their recommendation percentage, but you know, 94 was low. Netflix low. This is 100% hit for me. 100%. This is a hard-hitting Korean drama. It has legal troubles, love, being older, being an older rich woman. You know. I'm with it. I'm with that struggle. So it's great. I might binge that. I have like 2 more episodes loaded. I mean, there's free Wi-Fi here. It doesn't even make a difference. So, oh, the only thing that I did expect to have and I don't have is Signal. I have service with Signal with with Visible, and they said that they have coverage in Canada and Mexico. Pero like I'm here and I got no signal, so I'm gonna complain to them next week. But yeah. Well, I'll be waiting. So this was actually had a sanitized sticker here, but it already came in. Room tour. Yeah, I finally got my room. It took like 2 hours of waiting, but at least, you know, it's an all-inclusive resort, so there is free drinks while you wait. Let me take a fan. This is the bathroom. I guess I need the fan. Pretty cute. I mean, it's not anything special, but you know, I hate bathrooms that are super close to the actual bed. So I feel like this is good enough. Like the door isn't facing the bathroom. I hate when they do that. But yeah, decent sized bed, king size bed. My sister and I are gonna be sharing. Plenty of space in the closet for us. I like this entry hallway situation. A nice big mirror for the fits. And we got a balcony, but it's not the most exciting balcony ever. Like, it's facing another hotel. But hey, we have some chairs. I mean, you know, bright side. We don't have a water view, but hey, you know what? I think I could probably see the water if I come out through here. Ooh. Oh, it's raining, yeah. Oh, there it is. That's kind of like a water view. Yeah, I just gotta stretch my neck out on this a little bit. Oh wow, Cancun is so small. The water's right there on that side too. Insane. It smells like, we must be right above the kitchen exhaust. It smells like a fry fish. Let's close the door for that. Oh my god, we have another closet? I haven't been into, no wait. No, this is fake. This is fake, but wouldn't that have been nice? A second closet for two girls. Whatever, we'll be fine. So we're only here for a couple days. But yeah, super cute.